Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Mehron Makeup Tri-Color Character Makeup Palette, specifically the Werewolf edition. This palette is designed for Halloween enthusiasts and theater professionals, boasting 3 carefully selected colors that help bring your character to life. It's a professional-grade product, trusted by Hollywood and Broadway since 1927. The palette includes 0.7 ounces of cream makeup and comes with a dual-ended applicator, making it user-friendly right out of the box. Applying the makeup is straightforward. Just use the applicator to spread the cream onto clean skin. For a long-lasting finish, it's recommended to set it with Mehron's Color Set Powder. Performance-wise, the pigmentation is intense, providing excellent coverage. In my experience, it held up beautifully throughout the day, even under stage lights, showcasing its durability. However, be mindful that it may require some practice to achieve the perfect application, especially for intricate designs. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. The strengths of this palette include its rich pigmentation, ease of use, and versatility for various characters, from vampires to witches and beyond. On the downside, some users might find it a bit challenging to remove at the end of the day, though using Mehron's makeup remover simplifies the process. When compared to similar products on the market, Mehron stands out for its quality and professional heritage. Other brands may offer lower prices, but they often lack the same intensity of color and staying power. If you're on a budget, you might consider alternatives like Snazaroo or Wolf Face Art, which still deliver decent results. In terms of value for money, this palette is a solid investment for anyone serious about makeup for events or performances. The quality of the ingredients and the resulting finish justify the price point. The build quality of the palette is impressive, featuring sturdy construction that can withstand travel and use in various settings. It's made in the USA and is cruelty-free, ensuring you're making a responsible choice with your makeup. User-friendliness is a highlight, with the included applicator designed for easy application. The product itself is smooth and creamy, allowing for seamless blending. Regarding customer support, Mehron has a reputation for being responsive and helpful, which adds to the overall positive experience. During my real-world testing, I applied the makeup for a Halloween party, and it garnered lots of compliments. The colors blended well, and the makeup lasted throughout the night without fading. If you enjoy this review, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to help us continue bringing you great content. To wrap it up, I highly recommend the Mehron Tri-Color Character Makeup Palette, especially for those interested in theatrical makeup, cosplay, or Halloween fun. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros, providing a reliable option for transforming into various characters. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this palette in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions about the product or share your own experiences if you've tried it.